Topic and key number searching on Westlaw for the Advanced Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. Word searching works great for legal issues that employ unique terms of art, but for some subjects it is more effective and efficient to employ some kind of subject indexing provided by human intelligence. This is one reason why we often suggest starting in a secondary source. We can save time and effort if we let someone else do the initial research to find background information and recommended starting cases for our entrance into case law research. Another great tool for case law research is the West Topic and Key Numbers system. The West Key Number system was developed for case finding in the print world, but can often provide superior search power in the online world when using Westlaw. West Key Number system divides all of American law into over 400 broad legal topics which are listed in alphabetical order. Let's look at federal courts as an example. Each of the topics is divided into particular points of law within that topic, which are arranged according to a topical outline. We'll see that in the topic federal courts, the first part of this outline, Roman numeral 1 in general, includes key numbers 2001 to 2010. We can click on a plus sign to expand the outline in that section, or click on a topic to see that part of the outline in more detail. It's easy to see how most word searches, including the words controversies between states, might also retrieve controversies between a state and citizens of another state, or of those involving foreign states, since the same words appear in all of them. Using the topic and key number digest, we can select to see, for example, just the headnotes discussing federal court jurisdiction for controversies between states. Each headnote contains the outline that explains what point of law this topic and key number represents, the name of the case, which links to the full text of the case, the identity of the deciding court, the date of the decision, and its reporter citation, as well as the headnote itself. The 115 headnotes assigned to this topic and key number can be narrowed by jurisdiction or date, or can be sorted by topic then date or topic then most cited. We could run a search through just these headnotes. Those headnotes under this digest topic, or all the headnotes in Westlaw, but I prefer to search through the full text of decisions using a digest topic and key number as a search term. One great way to find digest topics and key numbers is to look at a case that we have identified as relevant. Change case view if the topics and key numbers are not shown in the headnote display. Use the numerical form of the topic and key number. In this case, 170B is the numerical value of the topic federal courts. The letter K stands for key number, and 2055 is the number for the specific point of law in that topic we are looking for, federal court jurisdiction for controversies between states. The advanced case search for 170BK 2055 retrieves all 54 cases that include one or more of the 115 headnotes classified under this topic and key number. We don't need to search topics and key numbers in isolation like this. Topics and key numbers can be used like any other search term to help improve the precision of our searches. There are other ways to find relevant topic and key numbers in addition to using a topic and key number from a known case and browsing the topic and key number outlines. An unrestricted search on Westlaw will reveal up to 10 possible topics and key numbers that were found in cases containing our search terms. Or we can choose key numbers from the Westlaw homepage, but enter our search terms in the lower search box to search for key numbers relevant to our issue, rather than just searching for our terms in the West Key Number headnotes.